This video explains how to set up a GrabPay wallet the right way for smooth payments, transfers, and spending control. GrabPay works inside the Grab app, so the first step is installing the official Grab app from a trusted app store and creating an account with an active phone number. Verification is critical because an unverified wallet has strict limits and reduced functionality. After signing in, open the payment section and select GrabPay Wallet. Complete identity verification using valid personal details exactly as they appear on official documents. Upload clear images and wait for approval before moving forward. Once verified, the wallet unlocks higher balance limits, transfers, and merchant payments. Link a funding source next. Add a debit card or bank account that supports online transactions. Ensure the card has international payment enabled if required. Set GrabPay as the default payment method inside the app to avoid failed transactions. Load funds carefully and stay within daily and monthly limits. Always keep enough balance for rides, food orders, and subscriptions. Security settings matter. Enable app lock, biometric authentication, and real-time transaction notifications. This protects every dollar in the wallet and prevents unauthorized access. Avoid sharing verification codes or login details under any circumstances. Optimize the wallet for spending. Track transaction history regularly and monitor cash flow. Use GrabPay at supported merchants to earn rewards and cashback where available. Withdrawals and transfers should only be done through verified channels to avoid delays or losses. For budgeting, treat GrabPay like a digital cash wallet. Load only what is needed weekly or monthly. This approach improves spending discipline and reduces exposure if the account is compromised. With proper setup, GrabPay becomes a reliable payment tool for everyday expenses, digital purchases, and seamless in-app services without friction.